how to start egg business here in Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your own egg business here in Ghana. So I would like you to watch this video, because by the end of this video, you're going to know how to start your own egg business, even if you're a total beginner. Okay, so before you can start your egg business, you need a crate, farm, and then customer. Okay, without these three things, you can't start your egg business. Okay, so I will take it one by one. So before you can start, the first thing you need to search for is farm. Okay, you will search for a farm where you will go and then take the eggs every day. Okay, so when you search for egg farm, and then you know the price of the eggs. Okay, so let's say each crate is 30 Ghana cedis. Then you total the expenses, the TNT, everything, and then you add it to the egg price. Okay, so if you take it from the farm 30 Ghana cedis, then you give it to the customer for, let's say, 40 Ghana cedis or 45 Ghana cedis. So each crate you get 15 cedis from it. Okay, if you didn't do it that way, and let's say you take it from farm at 30 Ghana cedis and you give it to the customers 35 Ghana cedis, at the end of the day, when you deduct TNT, every expenses from it, you won't get anything from it. Okay, so you know the price of one crate in the farm, then you know how to price your egg. And the second thing you need to know is, after you have get the farm, then you go for crate. Okay, because the crate is one of the best thing in the business. Okay, without crate you cannot go for the eggs. Okay, so you get for your own crate. Okay, so when you buy your crate, then you write down the price of the crate you bought. Let's say you buy the crate around 80 Ghana cedis, then you write down the expenses of the crate. Okay, so you tell yourself that each week I will deduct 4 cedis from the profit I will get it at the end of the week. Okay, so 4 cedi, 4 cedi, then you spread the month you want to deduct the crate amount. Okay, so when you deduct 4 cedi, 4 cedi, 5 months, you get the 80 cedis for the crate. Okay, and make sure that when you supply the eggs to your customers, make sure to always collect your crate back, else always you buy the crate, else you won't get anything from it. Because for egg business, the profit you will get is not that much high, because you are a total beginner. Okay, so make sure when you give the eggs to the customers, make sure always when you are going for your money, then you take back your crate. Okay, and when you buy your crate, then the next thing you need to know is for your customers. Okay, yes, you can start with the 3 or 4 people. Okay, not just many customers before you can start. Even if you get 2 or 3 people, you can start with them, and it depends how you want to do it. Okay, either you want to give it to them for 1 week, and 1 week time you go for your money, or if you give it to them, then you take your money. Okay, it depends on how you want to do it. Okay, but because you are a total beginner, okay, if you know the person place, the person workplace, then you can give it to the person for 1 week, and then you go for your money. Okay, many people, when they start their egg business, this is how they do. Okay, yes, they go to the farm, they take the eggs and then give it to their customer for just 1 week. After 1 week, then they come for their money. Okay, So if you get 3 or 4 people, that will be those people will be loyal to you, then you don't have problem. Always when you give the eggs to them, then they will give you your money without no excuse. Okay, so when you start with them like that, at the end of the day, your business will grow. Okay, the more you get the customer, the more your business will grow. Okay, so even 700 Ghana cities, you can start doing your own egg business without any huge amount. Okay, so the more you are doing it small small, the more it will become big. Okay, even me, I have started my own. Okay, I use this process to start my egg business, and now I have 5 customers. Okay, so I'm coming to start with them. Okay, I have search about them, where they work, and then I take their contact. Okay, because I don't know them. Okay, so if anything happen, I will call them and then go to their place. Okay, and then go and take my money. If you too, you don't like to give it to that customer because you don't know them, just their workplace. Okay, you can give the eggs to them, and at the end of the day, you can go for your money. Okay, so this is how to start your egg business here in Ghana. It's very simple, easy, and even if you have a little amount, you can start your own egg business, and at the end of the day, it will become big. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe